Want to share with you my new dash camera that I actually got from another YouTuber. This dash camera is the Rove R2 4K. It's a dash camera that basically does anything and everything. Every feature known to man, it seems like. I'd actually been looking for a new dash camera for my trucks I wanted to put in, and I have been meaning to look on YouTube and look online and find something that I wanted to get. And a video popped up from John over at Same Day Dumpsters, and he kind of unveiled the dash cam that he got. So credit goes to John over there at Same Day. Appreciate you, man. I think this is a awesome dash camera. It's got every feature known to man. I'll just list them off real quick for you. It's got a 150-degree view, the loop recording, time-lapse video, true. Oh, I got a bug in my face. Man. It's got a 150-degree view angle, loops the recording, time-lapse video, moving forward to be able to speed it up if you wanted to. It's got a true WDR. I don't even know what that means. I'm assuming the brightness of different things there from the picture. 24 hours parking mode, so if your trucks are sitting at a lot, commercial storage place or something, you're going to be able to see that if you want to for that mode. The motion detection, night vision, of course, screen saver. The other side says Ultra HD 4K. It's got the built-in Wi-Fi, built-in GPS. Another huge thing as far as accidents or being able to prove anything you need to prove. Being able to know your speed and all that. Supports up to 100. It supports up to 512 gigs for your memory, so you can have quite a long history. I'm assuming that can hold, many days worth of running out on the road. It's got the Sony IMX335. I'm assuming that's just the processor speed, what it's able to do. You can rotate the video, of course, distortion correction, basically keeping it the best video quality possible. And then the G sensor, so you're going to be able to track your speed and basically everything else. I'm assuming, I haven't set it up yet, but as you can tell, it's still in the box. But this is the new dash camera that I got. You can kind of see the picture here. Pretty awesome to see everything. It's going to be able to track anything you got going on. Of course, the app to be able to download. But you're going to get I think this is the best bang for your buck. Again, I don't know if John has a link on his YouTube video. I'm going to link his or share his link for his video talking about this. Yeah, I did see, as far as the pricing goes, there's different pricing if you get it on Amazon versus their website. What I did was I ended up, I think this is the best price, and it may have changed since then, I don't know, but I went to the website and then I put in my information, because usually if you do that and you leave the website, just kind of following what I'm thinking of doing with my business, they sent me an email, and so that included a 512 gigabyte memory card that normally does not come with it. It came with it at an even better price. So if you're interested in this, I guess you can use his link, or I don't even know if I'll even put a link in here, but the best price, I believe, is going to their website organically, typing in your information. They sent me an email with an even better price, I believe, on this whole thing. I'm about to install it on the truck right now. It's a dash camera. It's pretty self-explanatory, but getting this all set up shouldn't take too long. Getting it plugged in, getting it set up on my phone, and having an awesome dash camera. In the past, with RV Transport, hauling campers and stuff, I've had a dash camera in my truck before, but it did not have this many features. Your speed tracking, as far as police officer pulling you over, the recording, the history, the 4K actual video quality. I'm excited to see what that looks like. You know, I believe my old one was like a 1080p something, as good as you could get, you know, in the past. But I think this has all the features you're really going to want to have. I don't know what else they could do besides give you a free pizza or something. So check it out. Again, I've been wanting to research dash cams for a while. John's video popped up out of nowhere. Watched the whole thing, and I'm like, shoot, dude, he did the research for me. I appreciate it. Saved me some time messing with it. So thank you, John, over there at Same Day Dumpsters. This is great stuff. So you saved me some time. I appreciate you. I'm gonna get this installed. Hopefully this has helped you. If you already have one, maybe you don't have one that's 4K, that's got all these features, that tracks the speed and you know, GPS and all that. I think usually they have at least GPS these days. But this is the full package here. Get your best price, I believe, on their website. To put in your information, go to your email, wait a little bit. They'll send you an email with a discount or some type of offer. And I believe shipping was a day or two. I mean, it was very fast. I don't know where they're located at, but it was not slow. It was great. Of course, Apple, Android, the whole thing. I'm assuming maybe even, well, I guess you can get it on your computer if you just take the memory card out and put it on there. But I'm sure there's iCloud stuff as well to be able to move stuff around from the device to your phone, getting it connected through Wi-Fi. And yeah, I think I know it's going to be a help to me, and I hope it's helped to you. Check it out. Thanks again, John. If there is a link to be used, go to John's page if he has one. I don't remember if he did, but again, as far as exact best pricing goes for including, oh, one other thing I do know, oftentimes this type of software, hardware, it's kind of picky, or it can be, about using their specific SD memory card or any memory card. Some of these brands, and maybe it's this cheaper brands that that I maybe used in the past, that have been kind of fickle about that, but using their specific memory card, that their own Rove branded memory card. Sometimes if you use other memory cards, or maybe cheaper quality, or maybe you don't even know, I don't know, sometimes they're not compatible, or you don't truly get the full amount of space that it says it can actually hold. I've run into that in the past. My recommendation, like I said, as far as price and including their specific memory card, get their memory card. That's my recommendation to you. Save yourself the hassle. If it's theirs, you know for sure it's going to work, and hopefully be the best, you know, optimized for this device to get the best you know, quality out of it. So hopefully this has helped you. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe. God bless.